welcome to a new episode of DIY course on flower making. This course is brought to you by What's Your Hobby. In this episode, let's learn how to make this flower from SOLA wood paper. This is very easy to make and it is ideal for beginners. We'll now take a look at the materials required. So, to make this flower, you will need the following materials: SOLA wood paper rolls, floral wires, sharp pair of scissors and floral tapes. So grab a SOLA wood paper roll and scissors. Let's now cut some rectangular strips. You have to use your marker or a pen to draw the outline along which you can later cut. Now start rolling the strip. The first few rolls, up to 3 to 4 petals, are regular normal rolls. After that, you have to slightly bend the petals. Take a close look at how it's being done. You have to press the base of the flower and tie it strongly using a floral wire. And this is how the flower turned out to be. Make sure that the petals are all nicely spaced. You can use the floral wire to tie the base of the flower. Alternatively, you can go for a thread also. Let's now use another piece of a floral wire and floral tape to make the stem for our flower. I hope that you all love this beautiful flower. So see you all in a new video. Till then, take care and stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.